But what you're going to notice is even neutral readings right here. Price versus while money flow is right around 50. Trades in favor was right around the 50 mark as well, but those were considered a local low. Most often when those indicators are low, you're going to see significant moves to the upside. It appears to be an official altcoin season, as almost every single coin in the market is in the green, with the exception of Ethereum. Now in this video, I'm going to tell you where I think Ethereum is heading next based on these major altcoin moves, why, and how we can catch the next move back to the upside. Let's dive into it. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident.io, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. Thanks so much for joining us in today's crypto video. If you enjoy, please like and subscribe for more crypto content, education, and analysis. If you are new to the channel, we are so excited to trade with you. If you head down to the description of the video you're watching right now, you can access our membership at the first link. This is going to be crucial. We've officially won 2 more trades. This brings us to 108 wins, 0 losses. You're going to be able to access our daily crypto metrics, and based on the moves called out in the members only content, the future forecast $1 million profit account challenge, the Trade Confident account is actually up over $32,000 in the last 24 hours. So you do not want to miss out on any of those trade calls or videos. You can get 60% off our indicators at the second link, and you can join our Telegram channel for free at the third link. I want to talk to you a little bit more about this future forecast just because it's so important. As we scroll down here, Bitcoin just took out over $300 million worth of longs today, and here's what comes next. If you know the data, you know what's most likely coming next. I'm going to show you exactly why Bitcoin moved back down today rapidly and then shot right back up. This was not a coincidence. Once you see behind the charts, your understanding of what's to come will be a lot clearer. Now, what he's talking about here, I'm going to spoil it a little bit, is the altcoin season. He went super in-depth in this video about this. It actually kind of blew my mind. It was stuff I had never seen before, and I've been trading with him for over 2 years now. He's also going to show you where Bitcoin is most likely headed in the next 2 years, show you how to spot when it's best time to get into Bitcoin versus altcoins, and also give you risk management plan to handle a possible large drop coming into the market very soon. He's not lying when he says this is one of the most in-depth future forecasts he'll ever come out with. Do not miss this. It's going to reveal the secrets of trading. With that, we're going to head down to the Ethereum metrics. The very first metric we're going to take a look at is the Ethereum emotional index, and we are still sitting in greedy territory. Most often this is going to be bearish, but remember, as the bull market starts, bearish signals must be invalidated. You can see here though, greedy reading resulted in moves down, greedy reading just a tiny bit of a move down. Just keep in mind that even if we move back into neutral, historically, recently at least, this has been very bullish. So watch for a move down back into neutral territory in order to catch the next big move up. Next up, you're going to want to take a look at the Ethereum volatility breakout detector. As soon as we dropped into the breakout zone, this is where we saw major moves in the market. Very typical. At or near the breakout zone should result in insane volatility in the market. So watch out for that. This isn't going to show direction. It's only going to show how big the next move is. If you want to see direction, we got to look at the Ethereum whale smart money metric, because where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. And after large moves to the upside, it's only natural for whales to put short trades into the market. Big moves typically result in take profits from institutions, and this is going to push the price down. And as they take short trades in order to profit on the move back down too, this is going to drive the price down even further. However, this metric is speculation to see where whales are likely to move next. Let's check out what whales are doing today actively. The Ethereum whale money flow relative to price chart is showing that Ethereum is actually seeing a tiny bit of a movement out of the market. We'll see this live a little bit later, but if whale money continues moving out of the market, we can expect moves down in Ethereum. However, there is still plenty of room to move up. This is still only a value of about 70, and you can see how high we went from here, right around the 70 mark. We moved up and saw a significant move to the upside. So I think we still have plenty of room to move up. If whale money moves up, expect massive breakouts to the upside. Next up, let's talk about major support and resistance levels. We have major support at $2,136. Now we are looking bearish, but I think this is the absolute lowest we would go before our next move up to form the next higher high to continue a healthy uptrend. This is just a really strong previous structure resistance. We saw a double top there, and honestly, I just don't think we're going to go any lower. We'll check out resistances on the live charts, and with that, let's check out the Ethereum trade signals chart. Now, as soon as we got this sell signal, I made a video, I told you about this. We needed to be looking for short squeeze scenarios. A short squeeze happens when at a structure resistance level, like right here, whales are going to hunt down any sort of major liquidity in the market. So we had a lot of short traders here. People thought the price was going to go down, so they bet on that. But short trading inherently requires some sort of liquidation point. So what whales are going to do is hike the price up above that point and begin liquidating those short traders. Liquidation just means they're exited out of their trade and they lose whatever money they entered. As people are liquidated, this puts less and less bearish pressure on the market, which means it's much easier for the price to move up. And as short traders try to recoup their losses, they're going to enter long trades, pushing the price up even further. This is exactly what's happening back here. We saw a sell signal, a major structure resistance at $2,300. The price pushed up above that. And now if we get this candle to open and close above this line, this will constitute an official breakout before the next major move to the upside. Sell signals need to be invalidated in order for the bull market to start. That's just the way it is, and that's why we're doing our best to keep our traders informed of how this works. And with that, if you want to stay updated, you need to pay very close attention to these metrics. Our traders get Ethereum metrics along with metrics across all 20 coins on our website. Members are going to get access to the absolutely crucial future forecast videos. You cannot afford to miss another one of these. Traders are going to get access to our trade setups. I didn't even go over this in the beginning. Let's check out our trade setups page. As of today, let's view the performance record. As we scroll down, you're going to see insane amounts of profit here. Check this out. So many 4% trade wins. And as we get lower and lower on into the bull market, you're going to notice that profit is actually higher for each trade. Now, the last true trades we took were 5% profits for a total of 10% profit in the last 24 hours. The first one happened on December 7th, yesterday for Uniswap, and the second one was today, December 8th for ApeCoin. So congratulations on anyone that took those trades. They were called out on December 6th. Crazy profit, easy money. If you want to get access to these trade setups, once again, the future forecast videos, Inner Circle live Zoom hangouts, if you want to get massive discounts on our indicators, which I'll show you in just a second, you're going to want to snag a membership, and you can do that by checking out the links in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The membership is the very first link. Click that. Scroll down. The full access membership is what you're looking for, but you're going to want to snag it now because price increases up to $95 a month are coming soon. Go ahead and scroll down. The full access is going to include everything I just showed you and more. Just go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, we're going to head into the live charts, checking out Ethereum USD on the 1-day time frame, trading on Coinbase with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus money flow, and trades in favor indicators. And from what we're seeing right now, after the sell signal, as mentioned before, we saw a short squeeze that pushed us above the $2,300 mark. And as long as this single candle, the one we're on actively, it's already open, but if it closes above this here structure, now support and previous resistance, let me change this over to a support. This will constitute an official breakout, and it's only a matter of time until we move up to our next structure resistance at $2,445 or even as high as $2,650. Now, $2,445 is likely to happen much sooner. I'm talking within the next week or two. What we're very likely to see happen soon, especially because price versus money flow and trades in favor are high, is a drop and retest of the structure support before moving back to the upside. Almost every single time you see a breakout, you're going to see a retest of that structure before the next move up. Now, the absolute bottom that I'm expecting, and I think this is possible simply because of how high the price versus money flow and trades in favor are, absolute bottom of this move I think is going to be $2,142. But either way, a bounce here or here is extremely likely to result in a move up to $2,445. Now, this is just basics of technical analysis. This is just generally how the market tends to operate. But essentially what we're looking for as the price drops is for whale money to be moving money out of the market. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too, so the price will drop at that point, which should drag the trades in favor low as well. But what you're going to notice is even neutral readings right here. Price versus money flow is right around 50. Trades in favor was right around the 50 mark as well, but those were considered a local low. Most often when those indicators are low, you're going to see significant moves to the upside. But as we transition into the bull market, it becomes easier and easier for even neutral signals to see bullish moves. So keep an eye out for that. Even a move down to around 50 would be very bullish on the price versus money flow, and the same goes for trades in favor. So we have to adjust what a low looks like on these indicators in order to call the next move. If we see price versus money flow neutral, trades in favor neutral or lower, Both of these should constitute the next move up. So be on the lookout for that as we retest structure support at $2,300 or as low as $2,142 for the next move up. From the current price, this is looking like a move of about -2% or as low as -8.49% before a maximum move up of a crazy 13.91%. Now, as this plays out, you need to pay very close attention to these indicators. These are what have helped us earn an absolutely crazy 108 wins in this market. And if you want to make these trades along with us, you need to be able to track what whale money is doing. You need to be able to track market momentum. These are going to be the two most important things. Combine that with the TC top and bottom finder to help you find the absolute tops and bottoms. You have yourself a recipe for crazy profits. Now, if you want to get access to these indicators, I can help you snag them for up to $550 off right now. Check this out. Once again, links are in the description. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The indicators are the second link. Click that. Scroll down. The Pro Indicator Pack is what you're looking for. Members get a significant $150 discount. It is much cheaper to purchase with a membership than it is without. Go ahead and access the coupon code. Click Pro Indicator Pack. Scroll down and click I want this. Throw in that membership coupon code, fill in your information, click pay. It's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, giving you a total $550 discount. Just go ahead and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in that future forecast video.